Can't just wake up one day and break a home, create a whole mess. What I went through with my children, my relationship and all that, kofu fasu didi matem, you can't say be what's not saying the normal to the extent saving Clinton in Yame back. Clinton I won't walk on for noche. Frau Deo Gamente yet. Me sava me te French papa be sava boudiama ube wusses ya sava. Give the phone to watch my son, my grandson. Watch here. Tell me. Omo bwanyo msebi enwa. Toto buoko fe wa wote. Police for beche wa na wa frame. Men different.
Hello world, hello everybody. My name is Armstrong Poleeno Addai. So subscribe to the channel now. Click the bell notification. So anytime you drop any video, you get it straight. Go straight on Instagram. Instagram after build Poleeno_com. Ne follow your also so. Mediane Armstrong Poleeno Addai. Like I said, okay me chanya. Mama fe etimen. Before I start even the interview, man, I'm sure I'll pass or by. I'm sure I'll My name is Vivian Jill Lawrence, aka Abroa Mafia. And our studio high by Church and Command. The Biamakacher say content in the brown, we still data. We bring you exclusive and interesting content and educative content about what that's it. Mommy, Pachade now you're so humble, sir.
Do I even know? I think say a woman, sir, and aside that, me consider would be I say, any panty. I was say we share nipa. Obro was na abrabonokoso. Wow.
Because Bible say David emra all konen no run into ma at the same baby sene be ya dan the or here obeka baby e ofri nachi and see time bia na beboa na wa bre no ho ase nti mpache also den na why ya eboa was anamon.
Well, like I said, who said make to me who say we are so be here obi.
Okay.
And then maybe I will hear me say be interview we be a me here for be beautiful until you respect me na me the respect in ma na odo way ntema. I believe you say we are so bad so and when they push me ma unless you say be a hear me na me who say me who hear wa na me ana bibi na my job back kakra.
I'm sure I'm sure. Mommy mpachon ko fofa sa o humbleness no as advantage piano. Also we will say the way nipa ne city no take advantage of you and as bibisa.
Oh yeah, it happens all the time. Say adwuma ya ye say when nya abotre kakra bia. Betimi a share obi no mo be ya cho na say kasa bi obeka cho no. Say wa consider no maybe and control ho na kofa no ma bebre abantie no de ewo ho.
Wow. Nti I never said you confront them say be
no, but first no na so be ye me bibia na obi ka me ho asem bia me ti na se nya no kra na I say have me but se si an ma be hu say a part of the job and na e nipa su obi wo ho a ote asem bia na wa fa ne se saa na tie on hwehwe mu mbusa on tietie mu kakra hu say bia asem bi say no wa fa ne saa nti wo say nipa no o disrespect me and I say o ka me ho asem boni wo ba bia first na have me ba na de I know yeah.
A back case. Talking about this, mommy, I think a year ago, Minkai Yao and I Evangelist Addai, and then you might be Basabi be good social media, and God being so good now. Nancy and chair like even I'm not sure say demand simple and over here so already well who sit here on has someone by until I say or better social media na or drafty baby na hey after say all can say we need apology no.
Well, to be honest, I didn't want to say anything about this issue, but I want to know. Me taste all patch on. Anya me fair, anya me de.
Okay.
Ma accepting no just like that because you can't just wake up
one
day and break a home, create a whole mess. What I went through with my children,
you don't care.
Even in my let's say in my relationship and all that, kofu fasu didi matem, you can't say be what's not saying the normal to the extent saving Clinton in Yame back. Clinton I won't walk on for noche at the age of 15 years. So sad I did be better so and all that now. Also that no public I say creatine. Now me tell me say well, I don't want to say anything, but an apology doesn't mean anything to me and my kids and my family now.
I'm sure, mommy. I go see a Poleeno Multimedia, like I said, so unsubscribe, I subscribe because we bring you an exclusive interview and then interesting content. Mommy, for how long have you been in the industry?
Maybe by plus minus 15 years.
Wow.
I think I have to cross check, but it's a member there by a plus or minus 15 years.
That's great. Robena, over this plus or minus 15 years, you know, a challenge man with you. I say Ruby, you need to practice and answer visa. A challenge man with you.
Wahala.
Okay.
From Gabon frame, you know, let me be too coin. And I don't know, I think because of the location and no more penalty, omunya you need option be than to move. Into na me sanka script and I was in Accra when he called. And I was Vivian, and I was that I then I be and I sure me send the script and about batch now, tina you I'm sure when I say who here saw send the script. And then I was so by comfort. So how? Me them comfort bad. Right, no. Me so it's in me nua bi was set no so fam ho no mom na ka fa no ni ro no so no. Said all wa hoden na won bre wa adwuma me no betimi aye. And I went like comfort. That I mean to me. It's okay. But the ro na ma wa wi. Brand new and started the following day. So I had to go through Kuma Wood movies in Ibi because you are too much na easy. See, as an actress, now me feels okay. Me do how I was just so imagine my weight.
Yeah.
Now come now you know from Gabon or cut 2 minutes or so be the no penny perfect and all that. And the first thing it was a blow.
Wow.
Be a crew on the set, everybody, they were all impressed. So, Travis and I, bedroom and I feel me quite. And without dodgy sing, be a mouth may suffer my new rose in the other. But I say, I did be had the baby.
Mommy, me dear, me hear movie be na o Nigeria. I think so now you're twin. O Nigeria, Kasa to say Nigeria.
Yeah.
I don't know what's now kakra na say.
Okay. Me woman.
Okay.
I didn't back Ghana. I think I was 5 years.
Okay.
5 or 6. And aside that, you know, me to South Africa na me no money ejuma.
Okay.
And minimum kakra. Inti obi to say Rosalind Giza say yes she I can Ghana broken here can Nigeria broken because she was also born there. And yeah, click what side the one inti. So yeah, tiani ya car broken kwa maku bi na obetimi apeke the rest. Monte. Inti o hode that. And kasa ya ade bia me kasa mesua. Asat me no kasa nkofo bebre nim say me infantini because me can fanti wa ha. Infantini ya me de. It's not my neighbors, me mama musu or my neighbor no mo infantefo.
Okay.
Inti I learned from them.
Wow. Wow. Inti mommy Abra Mafia na so ebe to say.
Abra Mafia Kelly Vivian Jill me.
You say as obi akra en shada.
No, Vivian need to be afem. Abra Mafia. I'm still Vivian Jill me so mumi. Abra Mafia. Okay, me see me introduce my John at here by and then introduce me. Okay. Maja Kriya coffee by yet it's a while. I think we were just having a drink and I was going through my Snapchat filters. Timide ba ko to manim say no na abrewa bi abeda so. And I make kasa at say abrewa.
Okay.
And I me didi natem. Because naturally, Maja dey me ha.
Oh no. Okay.
Me ma me tia sin no timi ka say hey adwa. Who send free na chi say wotete wada. Also obedi watam on no hwe obedi watam. Na Clinton Cressa.
Okay.
I say we are pa. Nti me friend na papa bi na me so wo henfa. E no say me ofie na me say e na wunu ha no na say me ba. To do na Clinton ejina ni mo no. Na Clinton so. No say ah o ma me afema no papa dey to say ah me dem ni mo e bia no kondo so obedi di watam. Enti adibia like me no the cool ye ade on the yesterday or me ho abotre and all that enti me or say me ye we no say me fan send no to me send no de koto ho nothing ko for request na say S3 and then as an actress bibi ba me timu pe
you have to
no say me record back o ma no enti e ho no e na start it me de koto me WhatsApp status na me hwe afi obi e comment and I so mama fan to Instagram o ha within 2 minutes na I say enti ama say and I say bibi ba me tri ade na e ba me ti at once. Like what I posted yesterday. Andra, me your first one. No, say or no man join nursery. To me, yes, second one, no sister, second one, no dear body. Me and then you remember basics. Na me drop it comes a bad natural. Yeah.
Wow. I think the fans are very interested in that.
Not only my fans.
Because me kai say me post you or your page Poleeno Multimedia here and then up to now go forward that's so here. So, hey, we didn't know this part of
Vivian Jill. Yeah. A lot of people, a lot. Even your actresses be honoma. Some fair been back to her back door. Yeah, Abraham Mafia to say I know you been to. Tim penfo be brave. Yeah, one penfo. Yeah, obi o cry me, ya cry me post. Obi o bibi no mama ye bibi funny amano. And the good part of it, ne say and first started the advert for her.
Wow, yeah. That's so nice.
So be in Kofu to be pay advert, but more pay. Yeah. And then we are also thinking of say being a series because
Kofu pay.
Na me honest way entertaining me because sometimes na me shy. I'll go like how do I go about this? Yeah.
Na more in bacho NT post YouTube here our channel
Abroad Mafia Official TV and no pen media
Abroad Mafia Official TV
and Instagram Abroad Mafia ni ho.
Okay. Abroad Mafia ni
Instagram. Yeah, Abroad Mafia be on Instagram be anya me.
Kame ba ho NT engofo eyisu image the create fake account.
A lot. Facebook say Vivian Jill 1 and I am media and I am me page.
That can be a fake.
And I am account page, you know, crowd say Adabi na me catch you. So now cause me build it no, I know see Vivian Jill until you share the mobile life for what and I am media. The rest are not mine. And then Instagram honor because my Kofu bebre I'm having a problem with the blue tick no.
Yeah, verification.
Verification no more I mean what problem kakao until be yes. Na mommy problem. Ya no mu feel say bia na say ha.
Me ba so call IG. Now who Vivian Jill Lawrence. Na say followers no embro 1 million na me pa cho en follow. Say me ma minti na opeso follow say account na me pa cho. Ono account no over 1 million.
Yeah.
Over 1 million. Inti say there is no Abroad Mafia on Instagram. Inti who Abroad Mafia on Instagram na say opeso original content me pa cho be follow me mama o Vivian Jill Lawrence. Ni page no more than 1 million followers. And Instagram like Facebook so no Vivian Jill Lawrence 1. Ni page no so on my life enyo no the ohe call life no eno na account. And then YouTube so no Abroad Mafia na Abroad Mafia Official TV YouTube I say in this episode you more content of Abroad Mafia and patch subscribe to our channel. Me the link in the better description and send be easy. Mommy, back to business. Me patch now we single parenting. Patch waja na guso.
Me guso ye.
Okay.
Me guso ye. O say adwuma bi ayedin.
Okay.
Na ya yededa. Na me ye no wo Kumasi nti na single parent and kofu nyim no maba. Na e studio na e ma be kasa nti ye try almost 13 episodes and then something happened na ye Lucy external no.
Wow.
Nti na ya dream how to say a best tribute and then something came in mind. They said me fan quite crassy because you won't crass phone bo ha omunya chance macrom embe huyen enka masem nche ma so yan kanche adofo and obo ho womwa but the odi besi ne so mane de akọ a problem nipa ama yanji ni papa pendi ti me dream ho anam so okay nti say ye be kun crassy na ya single parents na omo bre batan obre ese kwa de enya mema ni nipa bebre ti e ho aye twa eno say Jill's Foundation oko YouTuber e wo single parenting and na you know RTV every Saturday 6:30 and every Wednesday you're repeating Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, RTV.
Okay.
And see, say oh more be anywhere you are be out say oh boy single parents.
Yeah.
Patch a specific number be or hana.
Me patch why na me person me de mawi.
Okay. Anywhere be more be out with me.
Bibia ya
bibia ideas and yes
empabwa bibia. Yeah. It's number na say ya dey atoso ne 0244 51 3964 0244 51 3964.
All right.
A mobile man, even if it's one CD, or the kosher program nibi. But say bread cry ma uni be or work crassy energy. To send the other best uni o atare mpaboa bibia aduane bibia untimi fam bakra yen beje near the queer crassy. Opa say a body and a body. Nipa na obehwe ne program na nipa na obetena so obeka na asem no pese me kra na me de beko na wa pese o de kwa o friends so a
mbe direct
patch
nyame hwa
o
Bible say de humo bro ni humo bro nyankopon so hono nyame hwa na ni so de hunu na onye okese na oma fie bebre
amen
na onsombo magana se de woye na ni wiase nyina
amen
na me bisa se Jill's aroma and also a course.
And on a summer cinema, me single parent.
Okay.
Yes, because I know ye juma bia, your mubenya biane ne de etonia ne discussion adiem, and then be factory when ade a high cast the com class no. For now, me need sponsor bia or what Joe's aroma. So I want a single parent so a Joe's aroma pair ho. And what pattern.
Two share be and not for specific for single parents.
No, I know they are sending a business and me did that. And me be a no. Na obi anya mba e me nya kakra na fa so mo so manya no ma kwaje na me dey aka ho yes.
And mom me I say adwuma dey o ye dey ache.
Sa aboafo be ma ye ya ache but nyakopon yes you know aboafo be ma me say betimi akwa achiri me dey na me na say your location bi. Oh, we had to walk from Enyasam Kitwa na your tools a young girl be 30 or 36 years. And then you couldn't wedge and na should baby on in the masapa. A Janin nyoma de command no. Osun sa say for almost by a year now. The macra ni mo rice, common rice. See a hono can said no yan me mo muji ho free mu na ahometi too much. Nti yambwa
Nyame sure pa ne adwempa e wo trem de de bia wo ye no. Mo mi bacho we main co political. I mean say beto abade but any political issue na me. Pacho me say what to kind be brave for different countries. E den na ye lucky wo Ghana asetin ma.
I know they meet me in Canada because say me see me tell me see Ghana no me obi a oni mi wa broche bia ni say me kwa broche acha 2 weeks na me ho mete na me pese me ba Ghana nti e no de me hu de lucky ne de lucky but am say panyifo no nti na kro bia ye wo panyi efie bia yes ye wo leaders efie bia so so ye wo abusia panyi ye wo de abusia panyi ha nti eno nti na omo wo ho nti omo mu ni
all right. Yamin sure mommy ye be ye na ye jawo ama wapo na mpacha final words.
Match Ghana for say yendo doyo na de obi dia ye fanche. So option your makọ mu bebre na affect wa. And na we only abone so na wo so aye ne bone a. That's it. Now say asundue ba Ghana e bia make say election ye nya peaceful election na sa asamba ye Cote d'Ivoire Omodi ane kura yentimi ndi. Ye Kotowa the same thing. Omo kasa yenti. Nti ni se ye bibia e be say ye ndie kakra ya nyame di achen ya ye wo peaceful country say no nti. Se ye de sa nyoma ni nyina be ma me say odobeba.
Okay. Odobeba. Mommy Clinton releasing new track.
Yeah.
Track no. Or catch her and answer na unim say or a musician from onset.
They be that. Me kai say me call baby me buy na me ba Mercy.
Okay.
E ka chem say mama Kofi abonyo na so abonyo. E na me kan nti se de me ye wa abonyo be wo botimi abonyo. Me kora dem no. Amana anto asebio.
Oh.
Until recently, Yana, maybe I said the birthday or plans to be ana, and also Yana in enough phobia body into your person or video. Yes, that's what he told me. Until me call Josaro Mami by late. I got home like around 12. Tim say maybe bana no more person me hunyum. Okay. To me do living room hono na. And you be more mobile. And I usually make tenacity and sana many outfit a diagram and my converging. To me tea and you na but when I born you because no voice na a woman no nurse. Mercy say how no almost it. Wow. And I'm so wow. Be say me tearing na and you no can or mo release it. Okay. Cheche no or chair me say we so can ho na we no mo person or mo de ban. And then I also believe in one thing as a mother. Me ya di sinini bibi ato nchen oba me neighborhood ya won kofo manyi che me omo frɛ me ma because my me son na me no aduane na me che you know ha my yesa. Inti esa involving ma bi kan ho no me hwe guys no said no mo call up and down and I had to be there. Inti I gave them my support, not only my child but omo kan ho nyina.
Wow. Yeah, that's so great of you. And hina you benya
no YouTube and Audio Mac. Okay. Title na ye ne etiso. And Lubuski or YouTube and Carl Banga. The other one, the mirror.
I think the Kumerica guys maybe.
Ebi kan ho, yeah.
That's so dope.
Yeah, obi abeko YouTube, bia abebo Lubaski bia no. Lubaski, right? You didn't come in.
Lubaski.
Ebi Lubuski, ebi si Lubaski, yeah.
And see, I think it's one of the great artists I ain't Ghana. I ain't hear anymore. Obe headline shows. Ghana. And I think the December we have Kumerica Festival. Kumasi. And see, one day over there, because I know bedding. Obe was.
I had my passport to send him.
Oh, sir.
Me serious, I mean, baby, I need passport. Me passport be more than they. Then I'm still wait. To me, I want my passport. I want my visa.
Unya odia kope odia because Christmas I think it's all the fun in na ekoso Kumerica. Mommy yeja mo akọ on social media handles ahin na ehwe
Instagram Vivian Jill Lawrence. Vivian_Jill Lawrence. My Instagram them a hope and a Facebook me want Vivian Jill Lawrence 1 as an account and a page near Vivian Jill Lawrence. But page is no my baby. To share their mobile life for hot that and TikTok and so and also see a Vivian Jill Lawrence is
and see Pasha say what na opeso follow me I sharp na follow because a whole package, a full package I mean the country and then the continent as well. And hopefully you hope you say nyame betre na shima ko wi ase amana man na. I mean sure so bye.
Inshallah.
Bye bye.